Ever wondered how presenters effortlessly maintain eye contact while delivering flawless speeches?
Enter the teleprompter or autocue, a secret ally for seamless communication. Hi, I'm Kenny.
And I'm Dani from WordBirds. Today, we're looking at how teleprompters can help presenters.
So, what exactly is a teleprompter? Well, it's a clever device that allows speakers to read their script while appearing natural and connected to their audience.
Picture this, a sleek monitor reflecting text onto a transparent screen in front of a camera lens. It's having your lines right there without anyone noticing.
So how does it work? The monitor displays a mirrored script onto special beam splitter glass in front of the camera lens. This allows the speaker to maintain crucial eye contact with their audience.
Behind the scenes, a skilled operator ensures the script scrolls smoothly at just the right pace, letting the presenter deliver their lines naturally. No more awkward pauses or glances at notes, just seamless delivery that keeps the audience engaged.
And by eliminating the need to memorize every word, teleprompters are like a safety net for presenters, empowering them to focus on their performance and connect with their audience.
Whether it's a corporate presentation, TV show, or live event, teleprompters are the unsung heroes behind the memorable performances. They let the speakers shine, ensuring every word is delivered with precision and impact.
Next time you're captivated by a speaker, remember, behind that confident performance is likely the powerful tool of a teleprompter.